If silent letters in British English are driving you crazy, then I'm guessing you've struggled with words like night or sign. That's why in this video, I'm going to get you a lot closer to mastering the silent letters. But first, we have to understand how these silent letters can actually affect the pronunciation of other letters, the sounds of the words, and the rhythm and intonation in English. If we take the example word read in the present and then read in the past, there is no difference in the spelling of these words, R-E-A-D. But there is a change when read is pronounced in the past tense. The long E in the present, read, changes to a short E, read. This silent A also affects the rhythm and intonation of the word, as the past tense, read, is usually said with a higher pitch compared to the present, read. So if you know that, then what are some of the most common silent letters that we use in British English and in what circumstances? Here are the main ones that you will come across. We have the silent B, and this is usually at the end of words in combination with M and B. For example, dumb, climb, crumb. The silent T is also used in special combinations. For example, the words listen, often, or French loan words like ballet. There is a silent L found in the combination LM, LF, LD. For example, calm or could. Another one is the silent C. Now this is found in most combinations of the letters S and C. For example, muscle, scissors, science. And finally, another common one would be the letter G in combination GN, GH. Home, sign, foreign, the, thorough, neighbour, and wait. So with all of these combinations of silent letters, how can you master it? Well, first, it's important to practice your pronunciation and listen carefully to each individual sound of the English word. Pay attention to the spelling and the position of the silent letter, and then try to identify and recognize when the patterns you're using, use them. By breaking down words into smaller chunks and then practicing each one individually until you're getting it right around 90% of the time. Time to practice with example sentence. Write it down, practice the spelling, and then highlight any silent letters that you notice in the sentence. Remember, you can pause this video and replay it as many times as you need to. I ran the whole marathon in an hour and a half. I ran the whole marathon in an hour and a half. Did you get these missing letters? Sentence number 2. I hate psychology, but I love science. I hate psychology, but I love science. How about these? Did you get these? Remember to subscribe to my channel for more videos on British pronunciation, and thank you for watching.